My people, Bobrisky matter just land from airport. He don't come outside now. Come give us sample. That one are just the taste. You understand? All of una we know say this year operation go happen. Where they go change in gender. Now he don't come outside. Come give us the taste of how the real him go turn to she. So for now, we never imagine how Bobrisky go look like when he look like woman, I be when he turn to woman. I don't bring am come on side now because now this year the thing go shele. So for now, we just dey imagine am since na reality now we dey. So join me, make we watch Bobrisky. Idris, how many times I call this boy? Una see person pikin. Person say he born pikin, una see am. I just dey pray say for our life, make we no born disgrace. Because this thing na waste. Bobrisky don turn to total waste. People dey born children. For the first say, okay, children are blessings from God. People still they born children based on say, okay, tomorrow they go support, they go, you understand? See, everything no be money. Everything no be money. Now go they think say now, wetin Madam Aproko dey talk. People they born so that the children go take care of them. But Bobrisky don't they make money? I say she. He is making money. But is that the joy of the mother and the father? Question. No be money everything go just fix. Some things money no even fit fix am. Money no fit fix am. See, as we come this world, for una wey no know, e never even cross una mind before. As we come this world, they don't write am somewhere. Say na your destiny be this. Na wetin you suppose achieve. Na how many children you suppose get. Una understand? So now wetin be Bobrisky own destiny? Because maybe God already talk am say okay, Bobrisky go through him sperm, he go bring out so children wey go do so thing. So how come now we no even fit see una dey take all these things like joke, but they dey very very serious. They dey very very serious. See how they do now many of una dey talk say Bobrisky fine pass even women themselves. Make it fine pass women themselves. Now see, now im body go tell am in the next 2 years to come. Una go remember today where I sit down here they talk this thing. Wait, how come for the video sef even they face that side? My brother face us now. Make we see whether no be gundus go just they greet us up and down. You cover and you turn. No, you know what I mean? See, we already know say gundus they there. No need. They waste your time. I mean, my people, I don't know, but this thing just they go through my mind. How many of una they imagine if Bobrisky do this COA challenge thing? How it go be? Imagine when the red light just go on top of Bobrisky. We go just hear jingle bell for that side. We go just a ding dong ding. I beg, see, on a serious note, my people, on a more serious note, any of una we no say they advise Bobrisky, una no love am. If you no say now you dey tell Bobrisky do this, don't only care. I no say you now you be the main machine behind this man. Una no love am. You understand? I don't talk am. If you want beat me, come beat me. And none of una wey even know say una join hand. The day wey Bobrisky go dey answer God, una go follow answer God. You understand? I no go talk past this one. Now here we dey. And as for you, Bobrisky, the time go come. You understand? When it start dey red for your eye, now you go even start dey explain wetin nobody even ask you. You go just dey look for who to give explanation when nobody even ask you any question. Instead of make you think of how you go marry, settle down, born pikin, live your life, you just dey there, dey mumu yourself. You just decide say na wetin you come this one come do. And na because of this guy now, Uche don go wear bra. Another gay don increase for our list. Oh, Una know Uche. I better me post Uche there for people who don't know. Even don't go buy new bra. Say he be gay, you know, deny. Like, my people, this country, I don't know where they go. Gay popularity now, don't they increase. Don't they increase, oh. And I don't know what the government they wait for. Government, what do they wait for? Until the whole Nigeria don't turn to gay before now eye go open. Make una wait. All the things una they do like say una no care, no be una business. Meanwhile now una be the leaders. It go soon start for una family. The one way happen for this guy. Una he never do ya. He never that one save na just the taste of the thing. Wait, all una children go na they send abroad. Wait until all of them come back. The ladies go turn lesbians, the men go turn gay. Now they una go know how people they feel. Una go write something, una no go carry them out. Una go arrest lesbians, una go arrest homosexuals, una go arrest. Till today we never see one way they enter prison. Na so na life they be. My people, I bet make I no even waste una time on this one. Na the matter be this. Una don't see Bobrisky. And as it be like this, he dey ready for anything. This year, he don't talk am again. Say this year, make we get ready because wetin go show us. We never see am. And na true because me I never see am. Drop your comment for that comment section because I know say una even enjoy this video. Now why una suppose click on that subscription bell, you understand? So that you no go miss anything when we drop. It is very very important to I make sure say you share this video. Make Bobrisky and Tonto Dike hear me. Because I don't already get problem with them. You understand? Very, very important. And I love you guys. Make una never forget this one. It is very, very important. See you later. My people, I don't bring in a matter from Zlatan and DJ Cuppy. Very popular musicians for Nigeria. For now, we no know them. DJ Cuppy na DJ. In fact, most popular DJ. That girl, they do wonders. No be small thing. Una remember Golato song? Hey, who is your daddy? Otedola, na the song be that. After this song, my people, the kind mysteries and wonders will start they happen. And for the beginning, everybody see am as normal. You understand? Because normally, music industry, not just music industry, even movie industry, people they get issues, they solve them. You understand? But now, the matter don't they get worse by the day because now different people don't they enter inside this matter. Relax, I don't come give you a better gist. The matter starts after Golato, where Zlatan go block DJ Cuppy. DJ Cuppy come dey wonder say, wetin happen? Golato was a hit. This one. She come dey come outside, they ask us questions like say na me get her phone, abi na me get Zlatan phone wey block am. She come say Zlatan don block am for Instagram, he block am for WhatsApp. Say abeg make we help am find out o, my people. No be small thing. Now as I dey talk to una, the reason don't come outside. Now I bring a call on the table. Una no go believe say DJ Cuppy carry Zlatan go Abuja. Say they go do wetin they call am fundraising, many things. And she even use Zlatan name make money. No be change when we dey talk about to make better money. Till today, Zlatan no see one kobo. Even the Golato song where I just sing now, where they do collabo finish, Zlatan no see one kobo. The Abuja where they go, my people, now Zlatan himself remove money from his pocket, pay for hotel bill, not just for himself, for people who follow come, pay for food. They say this girl no even bother to say, okay, make I just do one thing. Meanwhile, now she carry am. Hey, try. The thing just they get fire every day. And now they can't call Zlatan say, Oga, I beg, waiting they happen because this girl don't they give us matter since. Say, you block her, you do this one, and she know they comfortable. Now so Zlatan when they look there like say they speak Spanish. Say, who is that? They go tell say DJ Cuppy na Cuppy the musician. Zlatan say no. Say who be Kosi, even they mistaken with one actress name. This matter, I don't know why it just make me they feel happy, sha. My people for now, we don't know what thing happen. Many of us never even know who this Zlatan. I don't bring them on aside. Biko, let's watch the video.
What transpired between you blocking Cuppy on social media and have you unblocked her? Is it Gossip Boots?
Copy. DJ Copy. Copy music.
You don't?
Is that an artist?
Copy is a DJ.
Oh.
DJ Copy.
You haven't heard of... You don't know? Okay.
You don't know who that
Okay,
is?
since you don't know.
Chineke. Also, no, Kosi. Who is that? Is that... See, na highest level of disgrace be that. Forget am. See how he bring Copy down. He bring her down. Since this matter start, people just dey disturb this girl. If this girl just post something like this, hey, you go see comments. Go and pay Zlatan his money. Go and do this. Omo, they don't even want me she rest. Last, she could just leave internet for everybody. And now, see, I won't just see. I don't know why they emphasize on this one because this one they very, very important. My people, courts don't enter this matter. Imagine, from just say person block person now, court don't they involve. Ask me who they carry go court. Davido crew member. His name na Israel. Many of una go na Alpha. They don't they carry and go court. Oh. Say the boy they insinuate say she no pay because of post where this guy post. I beg put this thing maybe they see what they talk about. Make you no be say na my own English. I just they add something. You dey there. She said because of this post. Say she must carry this guy go court because the guy they lie for her head. Abeg bring this girl outside. Bring this girl outside. My sister, if na person advise you for this thing where you just come outside right say we will meet in court. Anybody will give you this advice no wish you well. She dey think say the joke. E no wish you well. You know where you go end with this matter. This thing where you dey start like this, you go fit finish am. See, you go just make everybody now they go hate you. Everybody now go hate you. You think say na everything they solve for court. Abeg, see, some people no just know wetin to do to do. See, make I just tell you now. Listen very well. No, I know say no be everybody get money. But you now, you just come outside. Any small thing, cut. Because your father get money. Not only you get papa will get money. See, if person do you something, see, you no even need carry court inside this matter. E no dey necessary. You fit deal am with the person one-on-one. Na so your father train you, DJ Copy. Na so they train you. See any small thing, na court. Any small thing, na court. Because now we no know court now. No be the solution. So if you dey hear me now, I don't come here now talk to you. No be the solution. E get person wey make one statement. Na Ghana man. His name na General Mosquito. Because of this court thing, many things. The man said he be like in the inside the spirit. Any small thing court. Now so the man just come outside come to say, see, any idiot can go to court. You understand that? Any small thing court. Make una dey go now. You dey carry Israel go court because of waiting. Simple thing where this guy. See, this guy no even talk anything bad. He just stated the obvious. When you carry person, you person name. You blow, money come out. You don't even know. Say okay, so you supposed to appreciate person. He stated the obvious. Me, I know they see any insult where they insult you for there. I know they see any money issue where even come out there. Except if you know say you dey guilty. I be my people. Now person where they guilty, they follow cases like this. So I not just understand some people. See, this your court case where you don't start. Now dead on arrival. Because you say as I dey laugh, now so all of us go end up they laugh you too. I know they see where you they go. See, if you not say all the things where people don't they talk about you or against you, no be true. It is very, very simple. Come out, show us proof that okay, on so day or so month, I made this transfer to Zlatan. Everybody mouth go shut up. Nobody man go shut up, but as at now, you never even still show us, say, okay, now this thing I do. Wait till you give am. My people, you know, see as I dey smile. Because now, almighty OBO don't even enter this matter. Okay, I will sit down here. OBO, Omo Baba Lowo. I talk away. Omo Baba Olowo. Yes. See, this battle is about to get hotter and hotter. Imagine this match. Adeleke versus Otedola. Who go win? Because now Davido don't come outside though. Davido don't, yes, now crew member they involved. They won't carry crew member go court. So what is supposed to do? Now to show support. Now what? Like Davido, you know the waste time. And now you know they involved. So they wait for waiting go happen next. You know that? Because now imagine this one they come outside say her father get money or $10 get money. Davido they support Israel. Davido papa get money. I don't know who you think say rich pass. Drop her for the comment section. Now $10 rich. I been Adeleke rich. I won't know what you think for this matter. My people, as I dey talk to Nana, DJ copy. I just dey pray say this thing where she start, she go finish am. Because anything wey involve Davido, una suppose know. Obio no dey. You know understand? I no just want talk some things for English, understand? But that guy na bad guy. Bad guy. DJ Copy, no go spoil your career. You still dey very young and active. If I be you, listen, if I be you, I go jejely allow this thing lie down. If it's possible, say go Miss Latan, coded, you not even need come out for public. Go discuss this matter. You understand? Go meet them privately. Say, see, I know say I for your hand. You understand? We don't even need no way till you tell them. But once we see say una don't reconcile, we go understand. As simple as that. Then it's multi cut. Your papa get money now, you the old person. My people, now the case be this so very serious case, and I want to know what you think. And if una no one forget, una no one miss the continuation of this case, una want know what Davido go do, how the court case go end. Now why una need subscribe and click on that notification bell. If not, you go miss the fight where they come now. Otedola versus Adeleke. The thing not even they sound somehow for your ear. Me, I don't feel wait to. So drop off on the comment section, share this video, make everybody know what they happen here, and click on that notification bell once again. If not, you go miss. I love you guys. See you later.